it's Liz Yuille from Old Stables Crafts. Thank you very much for joining me again today. Today I have this cute little project. It's one of those projects that I don't think you can have enough of because it's just a note. And we always need something to say thank you or great to have caught up with you or whatever. So this is my card for today. So we don't need very many supplies, and this is going to be one of the quickest, she says, famous last words, videos probably I've ever done. So we're going to start with a piece of Whisper White, which is cut at 5.5 by 3 3/4. A piece of Blueberry Bushel at 5 5/8 by 3 7/8. Don't worry about any of these measurements. They're all, including metric, on the blog post linked immediately below in the description bar. And then I've got a piece of thick Whisper White cut in half, scored down the middle, and that's going to be my card base. So, two colours. I did this in Lemon Lime Twist and Grapefruit Grove. I'm going to use Lemon Lime Twist again, and this time Blueberry Bushel, obviously, in that I've got the Blueberry Bushel out. So, first thing is with our circle, and I should say this is from the Wishing You Well stamp set, which is in the Autumn Winter catalogue. It's one of those, it could be Christmas, it doesn't have to be. It's mostly, I think, of the it doesn't have to be variety, because it's got season's greetings, but it's got sending you our thoughts and prayers, wishing you well, just a note, the bow, this lovely bouquet, floral, and then the wreath. I used this for the last Inspire Create Challenge project that I did. And that really wasn't Christmas at all, because it was pink. So, inked up in Lemon Lime Twist, and then towards the top of the card, just hold that down for a little bit, and there is our image. It will fade back a bit because it does, so you can see here it's faded back a wee bit. Then the bow and our blueberry bushel, and just open that up, and then again just tap that on and stamp towards the bottom of our circle. And now you could leave it there, but I have actually stamped that again already and fussy cut it, and I'm going to layer that up. Oh, I need that. With some dimensionals, but first I've got the Just a Note, and ink that up again in Blueberry Bushel, and just down in the bottom right hand corner just stamp that. And it's one of those things, you either want your sentiment to be really up close or as far away as you can get it, otherwise it looks kind of lost. So if we were to have put it here, it would have been a bit kind of just, I don't know, is it meant to be with it? Is it not meant to be with it? So make a decision, either put it very close or very far away, and stick to your guns. So dimensional on each side of our bow, and then take those backings off. And I've got an idea for our next project. Sorry. Or another project, certainly. May well be our next project. Wink of Stella, because everything's better with a bit of Wink of Stella. Probably need to get a new one of these soon, because it's beginning to get a bit dry. And all I'm doing is just effectively painting over our bow. Because it's only newly been stamped, the ink will move about a bit. That's fine. But it's just worth bearing that in mind, and then just get a piece of something to wipe your nib off on, and then it's good to go again. So let's grab some multi-purpose liquid adhesive and our mat, and just add a little bit in strategic places. You could do a scribble. I will do a bit in the middle because that's behind the bow, and then pop that in the middle of our mat. Then grab our card base and bone folder, burnish nicely, and this was just, did I say piece of A4 cut in half and scored down the middle. So it's a standard metric A6 card, which in pretty much everywhere apart from the US and possibly Canada, I think Canada you have the 8.5 and 11 as well, but for the rest of the Stampin' Up! World, this is your standard size card base. So there you go. Two quite different looks just by changing the feature colour. So I hope you enjoyed that. This is a fantastic stamp set. It's red rubber, so you can get it in wood or clear mount. And it means you can use stays on and all that good stuff on it. So if you want to do watercolour, particularly probably with this, that would be great. If you need supplies, and it's a very short list from me today, do hop over to my online store. I would love to earn your custom. I do try and look after my customers, and every month I send a thank you card and a gift. No matter what size you order, you get the same thank you card and gift. And then if you use the host code, you get to share in the hostess rewards as well. And that is just whatever I decide to pick for that particular month. And then I get those out by the kind of middle-ish part of the month. I have to get that ordered up and then in the post. So it's normally with you kind of middle of the following month. But I would love to earn your custom, as I say, and I also have a reward scheme. So for every £30 you spend, or multiple thereof, in any one order, where you use the host code, you get rewards, which you can exchange for product once you've saved up 10. So thank you very much indeed for watching, and I hope to see you again very soon. Thanks a lot.